So welcome to all of you on the grammar day, and today we are going to start the very important topic that is called the parts of speech. That is called the parts of speech. Okay. So, but before starting this topic, I really want to know, guys, what do you mean by parts of speech? समझते क्या हैं हम? What do you understand by parts of speech? Yes, any idea? Parts of speech. Have you heard this term before? Parts of
Yes.
speech. Yes. क्या होता क्या है? Parts of speech होता क्या है? सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ. No, no idea.
No.
Acha, can you tell me what are how many types of parts of speech? How many types of parts of speech?
8.
Okay, very good. Can you name them? Can you name them, Dheeraj?
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, blah, blah.
Conjunctions and interjections and prepositions and prepositions.
Preposition,
Yes.
yeah.
So there are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs,
Verb.
and verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. These are all the parts of speech. Now the question.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear Shelly. Now the
Sorry, ma'am.
it's okay. It's okay. Now the question is why we need the parts of speech. Why we need the part of speech?
To make the structure of
Yes,
a sentence.
yes. To make a structure of a sentence in a more meaningful way. To make a structure of a sentence in a more meaningful way, that is called the parts of speech. That is called the parts of speech. So today we are going to discuss the parts of speech in detail. So whatever I have made for today, just go through with that. Just go through with that. जितना जहां से जो भी मेरे को मिला content वो मैंने सारा I have assembled in one PPT. Okay. Okay, Shiva Prasad has just joined. Kalavati has just joined. Guys, we are just going to discuss the parts of speech. Parts of speech. Okay. So the parts of speech. So the first part of speech is the noun. The first part of speech is the noun. As you all know, what is noun? क्या होता है? Noun होता क्या? Very simple concept is there.
Noun is the name of place or thing.
Animal thing.
Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. जो हम बचपन में खेलते थे. Name, place, animal, thing. Okay. किसी का भी नाम, किसी का भी place, कोई भी animal का नाम, कोई भी thing. That is called a noun. इसके साथ एक और चीज ऐड करो. Any idea. Any idea.
हाँ मैडम वही न्यू लगा हमको.
हाँ, idea. Okay. Happiness, kindness, honesty, ये सब हमारे ideas है, feelings है. So that are also becomes a noun. That are also called the nouns. Okay.
Madam, this is very new. Nobody has taught it.
But this is very important. Now the question is how to identify the nouns. How to identify the nouns. If you find the words that are the names of the person, place, animal, thing, or an idea, that is.
Ma'am, can you please explain it again? ये जो happiness and ये happiness.
I am coming. Shelly,
Okay.
I'm just talking about, just suppose karo, my name is Shelly. My name is Shelly. Yes, Shelly is my name. So noun, noun kya hai? Shelly. Shelly is a noun because it is a name of a person. I have seen Taj Mahal. What is a noun? Taj Mahal. Name of a place. I go to school. What is a noun?
School.
School.
Sorry,
Is a noun. School is a noun because it is a name of a place. It is a name of a place. I love football. I love football. What is a noun?
Football.
Football is a noun. Why? Because it is a name of a thing. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. What is a noun in this sentence?
Honesty.
Honesty. We should always speak truth. We should always speak truth. Is there any noun in this sentence?
Yes.
Truth.
Truth is a noun.
Ma'am, honesty can be an adjective also.
Honesty can be an adjective also. Yes. Honest. Honest is an adjective. Honesty is a noun. Honest is an adjective. Honesty is a noun. Like for example, I met with an honest person. I met with an honest person. So in this sentence, honest is a adjective. But honesty is a noun. Honesty is a
Okay.
noun. Like for example, examples of the nouns. Like for example, she bought a pair of shoes. So pair of shoes, this is a thing. So it is a noun. I have
Noun.
pet. Pet is a noun.
Ma'am,
Noun.
honesty is a noun.
Honesty is a noun. Honesty is a noun.
Okay.
Is this
Honest is a
honest?
and my adverb. Adverb.
Shall we will go procedure wise, one by one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. ma'am.
Abhi, we are just talking about the noun. So just focus on the nouns. Some noises there.
It is
Even,
ungood.
some noises from
Ungood.
your end.
It is ungood.
Is this your book? So book is an object, so that's why it is a noun. Many people have a fear of darkness. Now, guys, in this sentence, if I ask you what is a noun? So fear, darkness,
Fear,
these are all the
yes.
nouns. These are all the nouns. I let
Yes,
you know ki why. He is my brother. Brother is a name person. So he is a brother is a noun. This is my school. If I say what is a noun, so school is a noun. School is a noun. School is a noun. Ab dekho, many people have a fear of darkness. The words that ends with NESS. The words
Okay.
that ends with NESS, that becomes the noun.
Okay.
Ideas. Happiness.
Happiness,
Politeness.
kindness, politeness, darkness, these are all become noun. So just keep this trick into your
Right.
mind. The words that ends with NESS, that becomes a noun.
Okay. ma'am.
Madam, goodness is a word. Yeah, it is a created word.
Sorry?
Goodness is a word या ऐसी बना दिया लोगों ने इसको. Good का goodness.
Good का goodness बना के उसको noun बना दिया. Just make a
Okay.
noun. Okay, that was the first. Name, place.
Good में मैम good क्या है? What is good?
Good is an adjective.
Okay.
Good is an
Qualitative.
adjective. उसके अंदर NESS put कर दिया तो it becomes a noun.
तो good का adverb बनाना हो तो?
अरे शैली अभी we are coming यार.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
ऐसे अगर करोगे तो फिर मैं speed पकड़ लूंगी सीधा I will come to that verb.
No, ma'am. Actually, no, sorry.
How to
Actually-
identify the nouns in a sentence? How to identify? This
Okay.
is the
There is
second
noun
trick.
only.
This is a second trick, how to identify the nouns in a sentence. The first trick क्या था? Name, place, animal, thing or any idea. If you will find any name, place, animal, thing or any idea, that becomes a noun. This is a second trick, how to identify the noun. If the word is followed by an article. If the word is followed by any article, a, an or the, then it is certainly a noun. इसके बाद अगर
Madam, one doubt, madam. The is used to specify any object. When to use the? I'm always confused.
Dipti, I'm not talking about the articles here. I'm just talking about the parts of speech. That is a separate topic that we will discuss some other day.
Okay.
Now,
Okay,
if a
ma'am.
word is followed by an article a, an or the, then after that, इसके बाद a, an or the के बाद अगर कोई भी word आता है, then it becomes a noun. Then it becomes a noun. He saw a tiger at the zoo. He saw a tiger at the zoo. Although you can
Okay.
easily understand because tiger is a name of a animal, that is also the criteria. Or if you see a is coming before that, so then it becomes a noun.
Yes,
At the
ma'am.
zoo, then it is also a noun. They bought a computer. Although there are the two ways, because computer is a name of a thing, or you can also check because it's coming after an article. If you see this sentence, many people have a fear of darkness. Again, fear is a kya tha? What is fear? Fear is a noun.
Noun.
Fear is a noun. How to identify? Because this
A.
word a is
Hey,
is coming, so
Yes.
that is becomes a
Ma'am.
noun. Yes, yes.
Every noun has to be followed by the three articles. only?
Three articles.
Or
A
this
and
is
on.
what this is one of the criteria.
Yes, this is a trick. This is a trick. This is a trick. Second trick, how to identify the nouns.
But in the example, just go to the different slide. Yeah, he's my brother, right? So brother is noun, but brother is not being followed by any a and the.
So then in that case, you can identify, imply the trick number one. name of a person, place, animal, thing. So they are the different tricks. There is no one trick is followed. The first
yeah,
trick is name, place, animal, thing. The second trick is any article. Any article is followed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Acha, suppose write down one more sentence. Write down one more sentence. He has a big bag. He has a big bag.
Bang.
Big and
Bag,
bag.
B-A-G,
Big
bag.
and bag.
He
Man,
has
big
a
and
big
bag are-
bag. Now this is a sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
if you apply this trick, so according to this trick, what should be the noun in this case?
Big
Big.
and bag.
Big.
But big is a
But big is
But big
adjective.
is an adjective. So guys, please write down. This is not written in this PPT, but suddenly it came into my mind. Write down. If two words are coming, please write down. This is very important, guys. If two words are coming after the article, if two words are coming after the article, first word consider as an adjective, second word consider as an noun. If two words are coming after the article, the first word consider as an adjective, the second word
Okay.
consider as an noun.
Now,
Noun. ठीक है? ये clear हुआ?
Yeah.
He has a big
Big
bag.
bag.
So first word, although it is coming after the article, it is an adjective. And if it is a single word, he has a
Then
bag. He has a bag. So then bag is a noun. Write down one more sentence. He has. नहीं, अच्छा एक write down. He is a boy. Okay, write down 3 sentences. You will get the clarity. He is a boy. Write down. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Guys, this is not in PPT, so please make sure you are writing. He is a good boy. Write on third. He is a very good boy. He is a very good boy. ठीक है? 3 sentences done. Now listen, just focus on me. He is a boy. What is the noun in the first sentence?
boy. Boy.
boy.
ठीक है? If you apply the rule, a के बाद आ रहा है. So yes, article के बाद, if the word is coming, that becomes a noun. He is a good boy. A के बाद the 2 words are coming. If the
Good
2
boy.
words are coming after the article, the first word should be
Adjective.
Adjective.
So what is the
Adjective.
adjective in this sentence?
Good.
Good.
Good. And what is the noun?
Boy.
Boy.
Boy. Write down, read the third sentence.
He is a
He is a very good boy.
A very good boy. Guys, if there are the 3 words are
Yeah.
coming after the article, write down. If the 3 words are coming after the article, the first word should be adverb. The first word should be adverb. The second word should be an adjective. And the third word should be the noun. Okay? This is a very basic thing that you should know. This follows the structure. Now, Meenal, what is an adverb in this sentence?
Madam, can you repeat
Very.
it?
Very.
First word is, madam, can you repeat it
Very.
after first word is
Acha, first word. Okay, after the article, the first word should be adverb. The
Adverb.
second should be adjective. And the third would be noun. This is a structure, guys. This is a structure. Whenever we frame the sentences, are complex sentences, so we always follow the structures. So what is an adverb in this sentence? If I ask, what is an adverb?
Very.
Very is an
Very.
adverb.
Very.
Very
Very.
is an adverb. What is an adjective?
Boy.
Good.
Boy.
Good.
Good.
What
Good.
is an adjective? And
An
what is a
adjective,
noun?
yes, sir.
What is a noun?
Boy.
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 Boy is a noun. Clear this thing? That you should know.
Yeah.
तो सिंपल वाला तो ठीक है, सिंपल वाला कर लूंगे, दैट इज नॉट अ बिग इशू, बट प्रॉब्लम आएगी जब 2 वर्ड्स आएंगे. देन आई होप कि दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर.
Yes.
अब now,
मैम
yes,
जैसे हमने रूल तो समझ लिए, लेकिन हम बोलते वक्त ये सब मिस्टेक कर देते हैं, वो ना हो उसके लिए कैसे करेंगे हम
practice.
प्रैक्टिस?
Practice. You know the rules. Now start making the sentences. One
Okay.
adjective का बनाओ, एक बिना adjective का बनाओ, एक adverb के साथ बनाओगे. This is all depends on Dipti practice, because I can give you the rules. देखो, my dear students, I have made a wonderful PPT on this. Just keep this PPT into your mind. Up now, the third criteria is how to identify the nouns. एक तो हो गया, what was the first criteria? Name, place, animal, thing. What is the second criteria? The words that is coming
Article.
after the article.
After
Now
article.
this is the third. Now you have to find out the suffix. Suffix आपको देखने पड़ेंगे. Now the question is, what do you mean by suffix? Any idea what do you mean by suffix?
बाद में जो वर्ड के बाद में लगता है.
The words that ends after the word. There is some, there is lot of noise today at your end.
Yeah, actually my wife is attending another call.
Acha, okay.
You can mute it. Please
Huh.
mute it. Yeah,
Right.
better.
Okay. So now what do you mean by suffix? Suffix means the words that comes after the end of the word. The words that comes after the end of the word, and it changes the part of speech. It changes the part of speech. अब वो कौन से suffix है? Guys, these suffix you should remain into your mind at the time of searching the nouns. ITY, TY, NESS, HOOD, IST, MENT, ATION, SION, ION, AGEER. अगर words in letter से end हो रहे हैं तो वो सारे क्या हैं? आपके nouns.
Noun.
ये याद करना पड़ेगा. Like for example, देखो जैसे मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स लिखे हैं. एक्टिविटी, IY. अब सपोज करो एक सेंटेंस में कुछ लिखा हुआ है, एक्टिविटी वर्ड आ रहा है, तो आपको इमीडिएटली इट शुड क्लिक इनटू योर माइंड. अच्छा, ITY है या TY है, सो इट इज अ नाउन. हैप्पीनेस, NESS है.
Does, हाँ.
Childhood.
Childhood.
Childhood. I did lot of masti in my childhood. If this is a sentence, I did lot of masti in my childhood. So if I ask what is the noun in this sentence, so immediately it should come into your mind. Childhood.
Madam, neighborhood is it a noun?
Neighborhood, yes. Neighborhood is also brotherhood, sisterhood, motherhood. That is all the nouns.
Ma'am, these things we are learning first time.
But this is very important, Shelly.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We always consider happiness, kindness, adverb, adjective.
No. These are all the nouns. IST, realist, dentist. I went to dentist. So dentist, IST is a noun. Meant, measurement, development, movement. MENT से जो भी words MENT से end हो रहे हैं, noun.
Amusement, madam.
Amusement. I went to an amusement park.
Ma'am,
Development,
quality,
movement,
identity,
demonstration.
Yes, Dheeraj?
quality, identity.
Quality? Yes, TY.
वो noun है ना?
That
Quality
is a noun.
right?
That is a noun.
Identity is also a noun.
And identity is also a noun.
Madam, government is also noun. Is it a noun?
Government is also the noun. Teacher, teacher, worker, developer. I am a software developer. So developer is also a noun. Developer is also the noun.
Madam, there is a word merger. Is it a noun?
What word?
MERGER, merger. Merge होना. Merger.
Merge करना.
तो merger होगा तो?
Merge. नहीं, sentence बताओ ना. Sentence से पता चलेगा. What is the sentence you want to make?
Okay.
If you say he's a merger, so then in that case, you can say it is a noun. Now, this is also the one of the technique, identification of noun. Who, whom, what. Who, whom, what. Then you can apply this technique also. Who, whom, what. And if you will get the answer of your question, so answer will become the noun. Like for example, write down. Shakespeare is a dramatist. Shakespeare is a great dramatist. Now you can ask the question. Suppose you are not identifying the noun in this. So then you can ask the question, who was a great dramatist?
Shakespeare was the great
Shakespeare.
So Shakespeare is a noun.
Hmm.
Shakespeare is a noun. Or you can also, and अच्छा इसी को देखो ये आया हुआ है. Shakespeare was a dramatist. So Shakespeare is a noun because it is a name of a person. And if you ask who was a dramatist, so you will get the answer. Is there any other noun in this sentence?
Yes,
Dramatist.
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 Why?
Followed by
Because IST.
Yes, this
Yeah,
word
but
ends
also
with
it's
ist.
followed by article.
IST.
Yes,
It's followed by the ist. Or you can also check.
followed by
This
article.
is coming after an article.
Ma'am, first you told Shakespeare is a great dramatist.
चलो,
So
great.
great is great is the adjective.
Adjective. Great is an adjective. Because great dramatist. So two words are coming after the article. So first word should be the adjective and second word should be the noun. But if I'm asking this, Shakespeare was a dramatist. So you can also say, एक तो ये आप rule कर सकते हैं, it ends with ist, that is perfectly okay. Or you can also say after the article it is coming, again it is a noun. So any trick which you can keep into your mind, you can apply. Right?
Hmm.
So in this sentence, both two tricks are applied.
Ma'am, the Shakespeare be noun है, dramatist be noun है.
Yes, Kalavati, there are the two nouns in this sentence, Shakespeare as well as dramatist.
Okay.
Shakespeare is a name of a person, that's why it is a noun. And you can also ask, who was a dramatist? Who was a dramatist? You will get the answer. That becomes a noun. The second thing is because this dramatist ends with ist. So that's why it becomes a noun. Or the second answer is it is coming after an article. That is why it is a noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood.
ma'am.
Harry broke the window. What is a noun?
Harry and window.
Harry and window.
Why Harry
Harry.
and window? Harry is the name
Harry
of
and the
Name and
window.
the window.
and
The window.
the window.
The window.
अगर suppose करो Harry broke window. Harry broke window. Then
Harry, ma'am.
तो मैडम हैरी आएगा
Harry.
खाली.
Harry only.
Windows. No,
Harry
window also.
सर
Window,
विंडो भी
window
नाउन
also.
ही है.
देखो
Window
in fact
also.
देखो simple.
Harry
अब आप इसमें क्या कर सकते हो? Who broke the window? Who broke the window? You will
Harry
get
broke
the
Harry.
answer. Harry.
Harry broke the window.
Next question. What the Harry broke? What the Harry broke? You
Window.
will get the answer.
Window.
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 तो both are now Harry and
Both
window.
are nouns. Both are nouns.
Ma'am, actually in one sentence only one noun is.
No. This is not hard and fast rule, Kalavati. In the one sentence, only one noun is there. There can be a number of nouns.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Kalavati, now tell me what are the nouns in the third sentence? Ram invited his friends yesterday.
Okay. So who invited his friends
Ah.
yesterday? So Ram is the noun
Friends.
here. And
Friends.
And
Ram and friends.
Friends
friends.
also.
Invited.
Ah.
So
Whom,
friend.
Who and
whom Ram invited? Whom Ram invited? Whom?
Yeah.
देखो ना 3 थे ना, who, whom, what?
Yes, ma'am.
Whom Ram invited? You will get the answer, friends.
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 So friends is a noun.
Ram and friends.
Ram
Ma'am,
and
yesterday
friends.
also known, na? Yeah.
No, why?
Day. Okay, yesterday.
Yesterday is an
Yes.
adverb. अभी हम आ रहे हैं. We are coming. शैली का भी बहुत favorite है adverb. We are coming.
नहीं मैम एक्चुअली मेरे DMP classes are going on ना, तो that's why I want to get answer from your side. That's why I'm asking कि what the same
नहीं, तो
topic
वहाँ
is
पर
going on.
DMP classes में वो आपसे ये पूछते हैं कि tell me the adverbs.
No, ma'am. I will tell you later.
अच्छा ठीक है. So now you should know. देखो yesterday we will discuss कि what is this? What is this? यहाँ तक clear है? Is it clear? Mosina,
Yes,
Meena?
ma'am.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the third. देखो whatever the usages ना मैंने सब लिख दिए हैं. So there are अब now the nouns are used with articles also. The nouns are coming with adjectives also. The next thing, the nouns are coming prepositions are used with the preposition. देखो, the children found an egg in the nest. The children found an egg in the nest. If I ask Shiva Prasad, Mr. Shiva Prasad, can you tell me what is the noun in this sentence? The children found an egg in the nest.
Children, egg and nest.
Children, egg and nest.
These three. Three nouns.
Children हो गया हमारा name of a person. ठीक है, जो भी
Person,
one
yeah.
person है. अब
Egg is
an,
followed.
an,
Egg is
an
followed
is,
by.
हाँ, an, ठीक है,
Okay,
an हो गया. अब
Next also followed by the.
हाँ, in, because the preposition is coming in.
Yeah.
अगर सपोज करो in nest होता, in nest, forget about the, in nest
हाँ,
होता, so then it is coming after the preposition. After the preposition, always the nouns will come.
Yeah.
After the preposition,
Noun will come.
Money. Okay.
like
Shall we read the second sentence?
the Ganga is a sacred river.
हाँ.
The Ganga is noun.
Ganga is a noun.
Sacred is adjective and river is noun.
River is a noun. River is a noun because what the rule you apply after article, two words are coming. The first is the adjective,
Yes,
the second is a
adjective,
noun.
second is river.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mosina, can you tell me here what is in number C?
Yes, ma'am. Ram, then profession.
Only
Honor
Ram and profession.
Honor also.
Yeah, honor also. Yeah.
Honor also. लेकिन अभी अब जब if we don't know the rule ना, तो हम honor को नहीं मानेंगे. But honor is coming after an article,
Yeah.
so it becomes a noun. Meenal,
Yes. He played a great role in her success. Role and success.
role and success. Role and success. Now why? Devdatta, can you tell me why success is a noun?
Coming before preposition.
But coming after the preposition तो her आया हुआ है. What is her? What is her in this sentence?
Noun.
Success, ma'am.
It's
It
an
comes
adjective,
in
ma'am.
double S. It
Her
double
is
S, no?
pronoun, ma'am.
This
नहीं
No,
नहीं,
no.
double S नहीं. No. Who is saying Meenal, her is not a pronoun. देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, her जो है that is not a pronoun. Her is not a pronoun. In this sentence, her is an adjective.
Okay. Okay. ma'am.
Adjective, and what type of adjective? Possessive adjective.
Yes, ma'am. Person.
किसका success? उसका success. Here in this sentence, we are talking about the success. We are talking about the possession.
Double
Yes.
S.
So after the adjectives, always the nouns will come. After
ES से मतलब नहीं मैम. ES,
हाँ?
ESS.
नहीं, ESS कहाँ था उसके अंदर?
Success
Happiness.
है ना, he does.
Happiness, kindness,
वो
brightness. No?
NESS है, NESS है.
Okay.
ESS नहीं है. यहाँ पर तो सिंपल सा लॉजिक आ रहा है because her is an adjective, possessive adjective. Her is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective के बाद always comes the noun.
Great. Great is also noun here.
No,
No.
great कैसे noun हो गया शैली?
A मैम.
तो A के बाद two words आ रहे हैं, great and role.
Okay.
तो great क्या हो गया? What is great?
Adverb. Adjective.
अरे भैया छोड़ दो इतना प्यार adverb से.
Adjective.
Not coming out of adjective.
Ma'am, I always confuse in adjective and
I don't
adverb.
know adjective.
I want to clear.
Simple. देखो शैली, अगर article के बाद if the two words are coming, the first word should be the adjective, the second word should be the noun. एक तो ये rule.
Noun.
If
Okay.
there are the three words, he played a great role. अगर suppose करो sentence होता, he played a great role. ठीक है, suppose. तो grand हो जाता आपका adverb, great हो जाता adjective, role हो जाता आपका noun.
Okay.
If the three words are there, तो structure follow होगा adverb, adjective, noun.
Okay. No, ma'am, I just want to you will teach us later. लेकिन वही मुझे confusion है adverb और adjective में differentiate करने में.
अभी करेंगे शादी, सारा करेंगे आज.
Okay.
ये पूरा ये करेंगे, तभी आज मैंने बहुत डिटेल में ये बनाया है. He has a beautiful house. He has a beautiful house. Yes. So what is Dipti? What is an adjective? Oh, sorry, noun.
Beautiful house.
house.
Only house.
House.
Why beautiful?
House and beautiful. No,
After
Beautiful
articles,
adjective.
the first
I is
word
there,
is adjective.
adjective. Okay. मतलब two words are there
After
ना.
that,
So beautiful is a
after.
Beautiful is
adjective
an
ना.
adjective.
Adjective I told madam adjective
No,
only.
I'm asking about only the noun. I'm asking about only the noun. So
House.
noun is a
House.
house. Noun is a house.
Noun is a house.
Okay, Dheeraj. The boy switched off the fans. What is a noun?
Boy and fan
Boy and fans. Why? Boy to clear hai. What about fans?
followed by article.
Agar suppose
The-
करो there is no article here of fans hota to then followed by the preposition.
Preposition.
Followed by the preposition. OFF is a preposition. Kalavati, he returned after a month. Then what is
Ma'am?
the noun? He returned after a month. What is the noun?
Month, ma'am.
Month. Followed by an article, you can say, or followed by the preposition, you can say. Mosina, he is fond of music.
Music, ma'am.
Music.
Music.
Very good. The book is on the desk. Devdata, the
Desk.
book is on the desk.
Book and desk.
Book and desk. Very good. Book and desk. The book. Next is pronoun. Noun is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is pronoun. Guys, this is a pronoun. This is a list of the pronoun. So there are the many types of pronouns, okay, but these are the very important pronouns. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives हम इसी में include कर लेते हैं. Possessive pronouns and reflexive pronouns. फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन होता है. फर्स्ट पर्सन हो गया हमारा आई. सेकंड पर्सन होता है यू. दैट इज ऑल द ग्रामेटिकल टर्म्स. थर्ड पर्सन मेल को हम ही बोलते हैं. थर्ड पर्सन फीमेल को हम शी बोलते हैं. थर्ड पर्सन थिंग को हम इट बोलते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल को हम वी बोलते हैं. सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल को हम यू बोलते हैं. थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल एंड थिंग को हम दे बोलते हैं. दीज आर ऑल द ग्रामेटिकल. अभी सिर्फ आपको व्हाट यू शुड कीप इनटू योर माइंड, what are the pronouns before starting this? What are the pronouns? होते क्या? What are the pronouns?
Which are placed before noun? Any
Which
noun?
can replace nouns? Which can replace nouns? Like for example,
Okay.
Mr. John is a grammar teacher. Mr. John teaches grammar. Mr. John loves kids. So if you see these sentences, every time Mr. John, Mr. John, Mr. John is
John
coming,
नहीं आएगा.
right?
These are
what I-
nouns.
हाँ, so what I can do, I can replace Mr. John with one pronoun.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr.
He.
John is a male. Mr. John is a male. So you can replace the pronoun he. He. If we are talking about the male noun, so he के साथ replace करना है. If we are talking about the female noun, so we can replace with she.
He.
She.
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 She. ठीक है? That you should know into your mind. So what is most important thing? If the pronoun is used in the place of subject. Subject का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by subject?
जिसके बारे में बता रहे होते हैं मैडम.
जिससे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. जैसे I do my work. I do my work. So in this sentence, I is a pronoun. What type of pronoun? Subject pronoun.
Subject pronoun.
ठीक है? I like her. What is the subject pronoun?
I.
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 And what is an object pronoun?
Oh, like
Her. Her is
Her.
an object
Like her.
pronoun because it
Ma'am,
comes in the
for
place
the
of an object. Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, for the subject, can we say it is a doer?
It
in
is
the
a
sentence?
ha
Doer in the
yes
sentence?
yes. It is a doer. It is a doer because subject means the doer. But
Yes,
यहाँ पर देखो आपको सिर्फ याद क्या करना है. Subject pronouns अगर आते हैं तो आपको I use करना है. But in a sub object pronoun, if you want to use I as an object, so आपको यहाँ पर I की जगह me use करना पड़ेगा. You का you रहेगा, he का him रहेगा. Like for example, sentence है आपका simple. As a subject pronoun आपका sentence है he reads a book. He reads a book. यहाँ पर what is the pronoun? If I ask what is the pronoun?
He.
book.
He.
He.
He is a pronoun. He is a
Yes.
pronoun. अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ कि okay, can you make any sentence by using the object pronoun of him? Can you make any sentence of using the object pronoun of him? Just try any sentence.
He. He
For
himself.
example,
He
I
himself.
book from him.
This house is belong to him.
This house is belongs.
This house belongs to him.
This house belongs to him, right? This
Yeah.
is very simple or simple. Just try to make simple sentence. I like him. I like him. What is a pronoun? There are the two pronouns in this
I
sentence.
and him.
I and
I,
him.
I
I and
subject and
him.
object.
नहीं, I यहाँ पर क्या
I
है?
and him.
Subject pronoun है.
हाँ, वो object
और
pronoun.
him क्या है? What is him? Him
Object
acts as an
pronoun.
object pronoun. इसमें ना सबसे ज्यादा जो दो important है, like write down. My friend, write down two sentences. My friend and me are going to market.
Hmm.
My friend and me are going to market. Is this a right sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to a market. Yeah.
My friend and me are going to market. Is this a right sentence?
They are
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
My friend and me are going for market.
Me
No,
and
ma'am.
my friend
Mm.
going to
That
market.
is
Me
incorrect
me
sentence.
and me
अच्छा,
and
my
my
चलो,
friend.
me and my friend. Is it is a right sentence?
No,
If
ma'am.
it
My
is
friend
long,
and
ma'am,
I.
start with
I
me,
and
ma'am.
my
ना?
friend. I
Then,
and my friend are going.
Yes. देखो
then it
हम
is correct.
हाँ सुनो listen. अब यहाँ पर my friend and me, that is a subject. That is a subject for this sentence. That is a subject for this sentence because it is coming in the beginning of a sentence, or we can say it is a doer. It is a doer. But if I talking about the pronoun, so pronoun जो है never ever comes me in the subject place. Only I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
come in the subject place.
Yes, ma'am.
So the correct sentence is my friend and I are going
I.
for market.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain it again?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Understood.
Shadidko. My friend and me are going for my market. Is this a sentence right? No, this sentence is not right. The reason is that me जो आ रहा है यहाँ पर as a subject pronoun की जगह आ रहा है. And we never ever used me in a place of subject pronoun. We always use I in a place of subject pronoun. So the correct sentence should be my friend and I are going to the market. But most of the time we speak my friend and me, or me and my friend are going to market. This is wrong. You always use I if you are using in a subject place. I make cookies for they या फिर for them.
For them.
For them. Why? Why?
Madam,
As
because
an
it is
object
a
pronoun.
object
Third.
pronoun.
Yes, because now अब हम यहाँ पर as an object pronoun use कर रहे हैं, तो they का object pronoun क्या हो जाता है? Them होता है.
Them.
Them होता है. अच्छा, एक और बनाओ. उसने मेरे लिए, मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए और मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए कुकीज बनाई. मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए और मेरी फ्रेंड्स के लिए कुकीज बनाई.
My mother made cookies for
Ma-
me and my friend.
My mother
My
makes,
mother,
हाँ, makes,
madam,
हाँ,
makes it, can I use?
हाँ,
My mother cooked cookies for my friend and me.
My mother makes cookies for my friends and
Me.
for me. Don't say for I. For I नहीं बोलेंगे आप. Don't say my mother makes cookies for my friends and I. Then it is used as an object pronoun, so then you can use as me. Me. Okay, so ये अब हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में करते हैं. Now this is a chart.
Ma'am, I am having a question.
Yes, Mosina.
Ma'am, suppose when we are talking about I have read somewhere, I don't exactly remember that what should we order? Like I should come, suppose two pronouns we are using, he and I. So what should we order? I should come first or he should come first?
ऐसा नहीं है Mosina, I haven't seen. You can use he and I also coming, right? And but अब I'm not sure कि अगर he and I two pronouns are using together, so then you have to use are. he and I are going to market. Then in that case, you just keep into your mind कि I के साथ वैसे am आता है. With I, you have to use am. But if you are taking this sentence, so you have to use are. He and I are going to market. Okay? And I and he थोड़ा सा inappropriate लगता है. So always
मैम
it's coming from the
उसकी जगह
second
पे
place.
हम मैम आई एंड ही की जगह वी कैन यूज वी आई थिंक.
That is also okay. That is also okay. But Meenal, if I want to use I, so in that case, देखो I के साथ वैसे verb क्या लगता है? Am लगता है. So
Am.
don't say he and I am going for market. That
Okay.
is wrong. What you have to say, he and I are going for.
Okay.
That you should keep into your.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, अब possessive adjectives क्या होते हैं? देखो, adjectives always comes before the noun. Adjectives, abhi, although we will discuss in detail about the adjectives, but this thing you should know, possessive adjectives means we are talking about the belongingness. Possession, we are talking about the possession, and adjectives always comes before the noun. So if this is a sentence, I love my hair, I love my hair. So I is a, what is I?
Object.
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
वाला.
I is a pronoun. What is love?
Love
Love
is
is
noun.
adjective.
Verb.
Verb. Love is a verb. Love is a verb.
Verb.
What is my?
Verb.
My is an adjective. My is an adjective. And what is here? Here is a noun.
Noun.
Kiske hair? I love my hair. Kiske hair? I'm talking about my belongingness. So my becomes a possessive adjective. Okay? So these are all the possessive adjectives. Now, you can also use as a possessive adjective also. You can also use as a possessive pronoun also. Like, for example, her hair is long, but my hair is short. But my hair is short. So my is becomes a possessive adjective. I don't want to use as an adjective. So what I can say, her hair is long, but mine is short. Now, in this case, mine, you just replace my hair with mine. You just replace possessive adjective with possessive pronoun. So my hair ki jagah you can also say mine. Both the sentences are grammatically right. Both the meaning is same. His coat is gray. Yours is brown. What is yours? Can anyone tell me what is yours here?
Possessive noun.
Possessive pronoun.
Pronoun.
Possessive pronoun. Mr. Shiva Prasad, if I want to use it as a possessive adjective in this sentence, his coat is gray, yours is brown. So how you can make?
I didn't get madam.
Possessive adjective की तरह आपको बनाना है. Adjective, जब भी आपको adjective बनाना है, if you want to use an adjective, so you always take the help of a noun. Are you getting my question?
No, I'm not getting madam.
Okay. Can anyone try?
Your
The
coat.
Okay.
the gray
His coat is
coat
gray,
is
your coat is brown.
brown. The gray coat is mine.
Dheeraj, speak again.
His coat is gray, but your coat is brown.
But your coat is brown. Very good. But your coat is brown. Because yours is a pronoun. Your is an adjective. An adjective के बाद you have to put the noun. So noun आपने क्या put करा है? ठीक है? So this is my book. This is a possessive adjective. अब आपको देखो why I am saying this? क्योंकि whenever you see the my, तो हम हमेशा बोलते हैं it is a pronoun. My आते ही हमारे mind में क्या आ गया? It is a pronoun. No, if it is coming, if this my, after this my, if it is a noun is coming, so then it becomes an adjective. That you should know
Possessive
into your
adjective.
mind. This book is mine. This book is mine. That is a pronoun. That is a pronoun. Okay. Now you read this. Now are the adjectives. Adjectives means the describing words. Adjectives means the describing words which describes the nouns and the pronouns. Adjectives means the describing words which describes the nouns and the pronouns.
Madam, can you please elaborate on possessive adjectives?
Possessive. एक minute, just a minute.
Yeah, go back to the slide. You are going fast.
Hello. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, okay. So sorry, guys. Yes, yes, yes. What you are asking?
Possessive adjective, can you elaborate, madam?
Possessive adjective.
Yeah.
देखो, simple. My shirt is green. My shirt is green. So if I ask from you, ki, is there any adjective in this sentence? Is there any adjective in this sentence? Then you will say, no, there is no adjective in this sentence. But there is an adjective in this sentence. And what is an adjective? My. My is an adjective in this sentence. In this sentence, my is not a pronoun. Why? Because after this my, one noun is coming.
And green is also adjective.
Yes?
Green.
Green in this sentence, na, Dhiraj, we can say it is a name of a color. It is a name of a color. If I say green car, if I say
Green grass.
this is green car, so then we can say it is an adjective. But right now we can say green is just a name of a color because after that no noun is followed. So then in that case it becomes a noun. It becomes a noun because it is just a name of a color. Okay, so
Like new, soft, all these are not adjective.
which one? My is an adjective,
No,
your
new.
is an
I'm
adjective.
asking what this new, soft, small, old.
They are not
These are
adjective.
all not adjective, right?
Your book is new. His pillow is soft. That can be acts as an adjective also. That can be acts as a noun also, Dheeraj, in these sentences. Right?
Okay.
In these sentences. But if it is followed after the noun, then short it becomes an adjective.
Adjective, yes.
Ma'am, in the possessive pronoun, it is not mandatory like to use of before the pronoun, a possessive pronoun. Like this shirt is of mine or the
Ah,
book is of
no.
yours.
This shirt is mine. Simple. This shirt is mine. This shirt is mine. It becomes a possessive pronoun.
A green shirt is mine.
Green shirt is mine. Yes. Green shirt is mine. So in that case, green become a adjective.
Yeah, green shirt is noun.
Then it becomes an adjective.
Yeah.
Now the next is adjectives. What do you mean by adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words which describes a nouns and pronouns. जो किसको describes करते हैं? The qualities of the nouns and pronouns.
Quantity.
हाँ, quantity or the quality. Quantity or the quality. The clever fox defeated the brave lion. Shelly,
Yeah.
what is the adjective in this sentence?
Brave,
Only brave?
brave,
Clever.
clever,
Clever.
Clever,
Clever is
brave.
also the, because
Brave.
what type of
The-
fox? What is the quality of a fox? Clever fox.
clever.
So clever is also an adjective. Brave is also an adjective.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohsina, number second.
Yes, ma'am. It's a hopeless. Like
The doctor says that it is a hopeless case. Hopeless. Because here we are talking about the case. What type of case? Hopeless case.
Yes, case.
Yes. Devdata,
Ma'am, smart.
she is smart enough to deal with the situation. Smart. Smart.
Smart, we are defining what, madam?
Smart is an adjective. Smart is an adjective.
Quality.
Smart.
Okay.
Number 4th,
Some.
very good, some, because here we are talking about the quantity
Quantity.
of the students, some. Number 5th,
First and very.
The
first
or
and
very?
Interesting.
Interesting
Very.
or very?
Interesting.
interesting,
Interesting is noun, yeah.
interesting.
Very.
Very is not.
Very
Interesting
is an
is noun.
adverb. Very is an adverb.
Hmm.
But the book is very interesting. The book is very interesting. In this sentence, first is an adjective because it tells us about the quantity. ठीक है?
Chapter.
जो हम क्वांटिटी की अगर हम बात करते हैं कौन सा चैप्टर, द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ द बुक इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Can you please adjective how to identify
हाँ
the
ये
adjective?
अब आ रहा है इसमें. और एक और ये देखो ये मैंने लिखा हुआ है सारी. आई हैव मेक अ लिस्ट. The words, these are all the suffix, the words that ends with able, the words that ends with al, the words that ends with ant, ary, ful, ic, ious, ous, ive, lessy. These are all the suffix that you should remain into your mind. If the words are ends with this letter, so it all becomes the adjectives. He has a criminal attitude. He has a criminal attitude. So criminal becomes the adjective. Adjective. So that you should know, guys. ये आपको याद करना. I saw a beautiful girl. So beautiful is an adjective. ठीक है, तो ये आपको चीजें याद करनी ही पड़ेंगी. He is creative. He is creative. क्या है? What is an adjective in this sentence? You will say no adjective in this sentence, but yes, there is an adjective. What is an adjective?
Creative.
Creative.
Creative is an adjective. I have an expensive car.
Expensive.
Expensive. I love fruity.
Fruity.
नहीं, यहाँ पर fruity
मैम एक मिनट.
I love.
यहाँ
अभी जो
पर वो
हमने बोला,
fruity वो वाला fruity नहीं.
I have an expensive car.
हाँ. I have an
So,
expensive car. Yes. So what
and
is an
article
adjective?
हुआ an expensive car.
हाँ.
Expensive is adjective. Okay.
Yes,
ठीक है.
expensive is an adjective, or you can also say because it ends with IVE. This is also you should know. Sentence patterns का suppose करो adjective, ये ना कुछ patterns है that you should know. Adjectives plus nouns. Adjectives are always followed by the nouns. So I have a red car. I have a red car. So red is a
Adjective.
and car is a noun.
Noun.
Now.
So the second pattern of an adjective is be plus adjective. The student is tired. The student is tired. Now you can say, कि ma'am, there is no adjective in this sentence.
Student is being tired.
No, the student is tired. Simple sentence says the student is tired. So in this sentence also, if the linking verb are coming is am, are, was, were, तो उसके बाद भी
Yes.
अगर words आते हैं that ends with ed, so that becomes the adjectives.
Madam, if I say I am bored, is
Hmm.
it adjective or
This is an adjective. This is not a verb. This is not a verb. Although देखो हम क्या कहते हैं? What is the verb? What is the third form of the verb that ends with ed? अब यहाँ पर भी आप कह सकते हो, अच्छा मैम टायर की तो थर्ड फॉर्म होगी टायर्ड. So you can say कि मैम it is a verb, but it is not a verb. If it is coming after the be verb, it is coming after the be verb in the form of ed. So then it becomes the adjective. Agar if it is coming as a verb, can anyone tell me if it is coming as a verb, so what should be there? ed की जगह.
The student was. The
No, I don't
student.
want to change was. Is he here? Then
Tiring.
tiring. Excellent. Then verb partnership rule will follow. Is के साथ is from the be family and verb के साथ क्या आ जाना चाहिए था? ing आ जाना चाहिए था. But यहाँ पर ing नहीं आया है. यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? ed आया है. So it becomes an adjective. The student is frightened. The student is frightened. बच्चा डरा हुआ है.
Ready.
क्या है? What is an adjective in this sentence?
Frightened.
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 So don't say कि there is no adjective in this sentence. Now the next is adverb. Adverb is a word that tells something more about the verb, adjectives and adverbs. They are the three things. Please you note down if you want. An adverb is a word that tells something more about the verb, adjective or adverb. तीनों के बारे में बताता है. Verb के बारे में भी, adjectives के बारे में भी और adverbs के बारे में. I ate my dinner quickly. I ate my dinner quickly. What is a verb? Eat.
Eight.
मैंने अपना डिनर खाया. कैसे खाया? डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. खाने को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. डिस्क्राइब्स द एक्शन. Quickly. So quickly becomes an adverb. 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 Which tells us about the verb. Which tells us about the
Okay,
verb
okay.
that
Eight.
words.
Eight is
हाँ.
verb here.
Eight is a verb ना. Eight is a verb. But कैसे खाया? इसके बारे में हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. कैसे खाया? Quickly खाया. So quickly becomes an adverb. My father came home early. My father came home early. My father came. My father came. मेरे father आए. Came. कैसे आए? Came. Early. जल्दी आए. So then it was.
Adjective नहीं है ना ये. Adjective नहीं होगा.
This is here we are talking about the adverbs. 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 We are talking about the adverbs. जैसे ate. यहाँ पर ate को describe कर रहा है. Here we talk about the ate. Action. इस action को describe कर रहा है. कैसे खाना खाया? जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाया. So जल्दी जो है, जो quickly है, that becomes an adverb. यहाँ पर early देखो ये this is also the trick you can remain into your mind. The words that ends with ly. The words that ends with ly, that becomes the adverb. This is very simple trick how to make the adverbs adjectives के अंत में ly लगा दो. You just make ly after the adjectives. Lokesh, you have a session at 9:15.
9:15 in.
Yes, 9:15.
Zero.
Okay.
Okay. Sam sees many puppies outside. Sam sees many puppies outside. Now sees. कहाँ देखे? Where the Sam sees puppies? Outside. So outside is a
Adverb.
adverb. Outside is an adverb. The dress is elegant. Dress कैसी है? अब ये किसकी? अब ये how? Can anyone tell me how it is an adjective?
It is followed before as is.
No. Actually, dress is not noun, a verb here.
Yes, here we talking about the
dress is
noun. Whenever we
Noun.
talk about the noun, whenever we talk about the noun, और noun की अगर वो कोई quality बताता है, then it
Right.
becomes an adjective. So in this sentence, the dress is elegant, it becomes a adjective.
Noun का जो quality बताता है, that
वो
is
adjective है,
adjective
वो
and
adjective है.
verb, adverb और
Okay.
Verb, adverb और adjectives की जो quality बताता है, that becomes the adverb.
adverb.
Like for example, she dresses elegantly.
Yes.
She dresses elegantly. Now dresses is a verb and elegantly becomes an adverb.
Ma'am, can you give more example? Adverb describe the quality of this
Adverb tells us about
adjective.
adjectives, verbs and
Ma'am, in sentence में.
sentences are coming. Sentences are coming.
Hmm.
Spotting.
Madam, can I ask you one question?
Yes,
You
yes.
mean to say that verb and adverb are always coming together only?
No, this is not fixed point. एकदम coming together, but yes. Acha, you are
No, in a
talking about
sentence,
after the verb. After the verb.
Yeah, I mean to say in a sentence, both will be there. Adverb and verb, both should be there.
If you tell about the quality, if you tell something about the verb, then definitely the adverb will come.
Both should be there, yeah.
Then definitely the adverb will come. ठीक है? Abhi, right, we will see some more examples. Spotting an adverb is easy. Ab now how to identify the adverbs? The words that ends with ly. The words that ends with ly, that becomes the adverb. Like politely, excitedly. Another way how to spot an adverb is by asking the questions like how, when, where, and how often. This is also the another way to identify the adverbs.
So generally is a adverb.
Madam, personally,
Most cases में the adverbs ends with ly. Like for example, the birds was flying. The bird was flying swiftly. The bird was flying. अब bird जो था वो fly कर रहा था. कैसे fly कर रहा था? How did the bird fly? Then you will get the answer. Swiftly. ly से end हो रहा है, so it becomes an adverb. It becomes an adverb. A deer was strolling nearby. The deer was strolling nearby. Strolling is a verb. Strolling is a verb. कहाँ stroll कर रहा था? You will get the answer. Nearby. How, when, where, how often.
मैडम पर्सनली फिर नहीं होगा ना, पर्सनली वर्ड यूज करते हैं,
Personally means?
पर्सनली वर्ड रहता है ना,
Hmm?
आई पर्सनली इनवाइटेड हर,
हाँ, I personally invited. हाँ बोलो.
तो वो एडवर्ब है क्या?
Yes, yes, yes. Ab now, shall we see this?
Yes, ma'am.
The four utter pups were sleeping quite peacefully. The four utter pups were sleeping quite peacefully. Sleeping is a verb. Sleeping is a verb. कैसे सो रहे थे? Quite. So quite is also an
Quietly.
adverb.
Quietly भी तो बोल
Peacefully.
सकते हो.
Peacefully. Because now peacefully talks about the quiet.
And
So in
quietly
this-
भी तो हम बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ, quietly. या
Ma'am-
तो आप simple बोलो. The four utter pups were sleeping quietly. That is also okay sentence. Or you
Ma'am,
can also.
मैम I'm asking कि एडजेक्टिव को एडवर्ब कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं, ये जानना है।
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 9 p.m. Sudha, you just join after at 9:15.
Okay, okay.
Finally, they came to the lion's den. Finally, they came to the lion's den. So this is also an adverb. This is also an adverb. Okay, 9 p.m. student has started. Okay, so this is
Ma'am,
the
तो
last.
last example जो बताया आपने finally they came to the lion's den. तो यहाँ पे मतलब
How
ये तो-
often? How often? How often?
how often?
You
वही
will
मैंने
get the
बोला था,
answer.
जिसको
How
मैंने-
often? So then you
Okay.
will get the answer. So then it is an adverb.
So generally जो हम use करते हैं generally
Generally
Kind of
हो गया, how often हो गया. These are all the adverbs. These are all the adverbs. Okay, the last is doing rest. We will do in the next class, shall we? We will do in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
class. ठीक है?
Okay,
अभी
ma'am.
right
No
now, just quickly tell me what is an adverb. Yes, he will be leaving tonight. What is an adverb?
Tonight.
Leaving.
no. Tonight is
Tonight.
Tonight.
Yes, tonight.
Tonight is a adverb. Tonight is an adverb. He walked carefully. Minal, he walked carefully as he had injured his legs.
Carefully.
Carefully. Go outside and fetch some water for me.
outside.
Outside.
some
water, I think.
Outside.
Yes?
Outside. no?
Only outside?
And
also.
some.
Also and
Some
some.
also.
Also.
Why some? Some is coming before the noun.
Now.
noun.
So if
But
it is
after-
coming before the
after
noun, it
verb,
tells us about the quantity of water.
It's an adjective then.
Some is an adjective. Some is an adjective. The lion fought bravely with the wolf.
Really?
Bravely.
Bravely. I met him yesterday.
Today.
Yesterday.
Yesterday is also an adverb. When I met him. Yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday, every day. ये सब हमारे क्या हो जाते हैं? Whenever we talk about the when, where, why. So then it also becomes an adverb.
Yes, ma'am.
Adverb.
Ma'am,
Okay.
are we talking about